Alright, so looks like the mic's working last time I tried it. I've been firing it up on and off, just trying it out. Hopefully everything's good. I really don't know why it wasn't working. I gave it a factory reset. Yeah, we'll see what happens, I guess. I'll just have to test it every time I use it, I suppose, which really sucks, but it is what it is. This is Red Racer Brewery, Central City. Brewing company started up in Central City in Wally, now called Central City, and they opened up a huge brewery here, brew pub. Not really a pub, more like a tasting room. They do whiskey, they do beer, they do cider. Good place, really close to home. I want to go on a tour in here one day and see all the distilleries that they've got. Pretty neat what they've done. They're expanding too. Pretty cool to have a brewery so close to home. One more thing about the GoPro. With the 5 and the 6 and maybe even the 7, I don't know yet because I've never seen one in person, but it looks to be the same design. You have to remove the waterproof door in order to run the mic adapter, this huge dongle thing that sticks out of the side of the camera. Really annoying, so I carry the door with me in case it starts to rain and want to be stuck and ruin your camera, so got to carry a little door around with you, and of course you can't run an external mic without an adapter. So if it rains, you're stuck without an external mic. I don't know if that bothers a lot of people, but yeah, it's one of those things. Kind of annoying. Joe Blow turning left here. That's it, hopefully. Oh, great plate. 666 New Jersey Devils? No, it's a C. I guess if you're a Satan lover, that's a great plate. Looks like a girl with a little ornamental thing hanging. Doesn't look too satanic to me. So guys, I was talking about a few things last night. I was hoping to post up, but the stupid mic wasn't working, had no audio. Wanted to talk about getting a new bike potentially, and plans for sort of the next steps as me as a motorcycle rider, what I want to do and how I want to ride. I'm kind of stuck between doing the dual sport thing and having the capability of going off-road, Forest Service roads, you know, kind of extended camp trips along there, which I don't know how often I'll do, but it would be awesome to have that capability. The other option is street, but something durable enough that'll handle a little bit of off-road. And I went to look at a V-Strom 650, actually, don't laugh, I know, but awesome bike. Almost bought it. It was just a little out of my budget, and needed a little bit of work pretty soon. It was pretty mint, like 12,000 K on it, but original everything, so tires, sprockets, chain, that kind of stuff. You got to take that into account. You're looking at a used bike, costs right off the bat, what you might have to do. I could probably get away with a year or two riding it like that, but for me, I'm pretty anal about this stuff. I like my stuff to be mint, so I would have changed a bunch of that right away, probably, honestly. That's another $1,000 right there, Canadian, down the drain. So I said, nope, I'll have to pass. And I think the bike's sold now, probably to a good owner, so somebody who'll use it. Those things will go for 100,000 K easy, just maintenance, right? So can't really say no to that. For a lot of people, for me, I did. So kind of in the middle of rush hour right now. It's a traffic out. The other option, I digress, the other option I was talking about was something like an SV650, Suzuki again. Great bike, fits me perfectly. Tank lines are awesome for my legs. I'm 6 feet tall, so I got fairly long legs and a long torso. Just fits me so well, so comfortable. It's got more than enough power. Could easily throw some hard luggage on there with some GV stuff. I'd probably take it on mild, you know, Forest Service stuff and not be too worried about it without ruining it. Not like my fairing gsx-r, which I'd have to really watch the fairings and stuff, but something like that would be awesome. The other option was MT series, so MT-07 or 09. 07 is a bit awkward for me. The lines don't fit me 100%. The 09 fits me perfectly. It's like it was built for me, but it's an 09. It's a triple, tons of power, higher insurance class than what I'm rocking now. In BC, we pay by insurance class by CC. They don't look at type of bike, so I'll pay less for my gsx-r 750 than I would for a Suzuki Boulevard 800. Go figure, right? Something with 3 times the power. I pay less insurance, so that's something to factor in. And do I really need that much power for the street? You know, for hooligan riding, yeah, sure, it's fun. I've lifted the wheel on an FJ09, pretty dang easy in A mode. It just goes up and that's it. First gear, A mode, boom, the thing just pops. You don't even have to try. So it's a little scary. MT-07 I hear is quite torquey too, but it's not to the same degree as an 09, obviously. 09 is triple power, is just insane. So yeah, I'm not quite sure. I'm a little torn on what to do next bike, or I could just keep this for another year and save my money. It's fun, but it's getting old and a little clunky, so it's got 42,000 K on it now, which isn't very high for a lot of bikes, but yeah, I don't know. What do you guys think? Pull over here. You can see me checking my GoPro. The light's so bright I can't even tell what it's doing, so I'm gonna pull over up here somewhere and check out the status of it. Hopefully it's all working properly. I think I had it recording. I hope so. Find a spot here to pull over somewhere. Knowing that much space here, really. A school down here, interesting. Some more building I'm developing along here, it looks like. This is all floodplain down here, really. Hard to get house insurance, I hear. So this could flood. But this is all new. I didn't even know this existed. It's kind of cool, actually. Alright, let's check out the GoPro here.